Are you a dental assistant looking to expand your clinical skills and meet state certification requirements? At the California Institute of Dental Education in Ventura, we offer a Dental Board of California-approved ultrasonic scaling course tailored just for you. This certification course is designed for registered dental assistants or those eligible for RDA licensure in California. Here's what you can expect. 2 hours of didactic training where you'll learn the fundamentals of ultrasonic scaling, including technique, patient safety, and infection control. 2 hours of hands-on lab training where you'll practice ultrasonic scaling on mannequins under the guidance of experienced instructors, a written exam to demonstrate your knowledge before progressing to lab training. And upon successful completion, you'll receive a certificate of completion that satisfies state requirements. Classes are held at our Ventura facility in a modern, supportive learning environment. Ready to level up your dental career? Visit dentalinstituteofca.com to learn more and enroll today. The Ultrasonic Scaling course, hands-on, approved, and designed for your success.